If you've ever felt like you're working hard but never actually getting ahead, you're not alone. Most people don't realize they're stuck in a cycle, not because of their job, but because of their habits. Let's break down the 7 money habits silently draining your bank account, and what to do instead. Habit number 1, lifestyle creep. You earn more, you spend more. That pay raise. Gone by month end. Fix, lock in a fixed lifestyle, raise your savings, not expenses. Habit number 2, paying yourself last. Bills, subscriptions, eating out, then maybe saving what's left. Fix, automate savings first. Even $10 a week builds momentum. Habit number 3, no budget tracking. If you don't track your money, it disappears. Fix, use a simple tracker, Google Sheets, Notion. Habit number 4, emotional spending. Stress, boredom, even happiness equals impulse spending. Fix, set a 24-hour rule for all non-essential purchases. Habit number 5, minimum payments only. Credit cards, loans, paying the bare minimum builds interest mountains. Fix, pay off high-interest debt aggressively. Snowball method works. Habit number 6, no emergency fund. One emergency, total chaos, more debt. Fix, build 1-month buffer ASAP. Then 3 to 6 months. Habit number 7, ignoring skill growth. Staying in low-income cycles by not upgrading your skills. Fix, allocate budget for learning, courses, books, coaching. Changing even one of these habits can shift your entire financial future. I did it, and so can you. Which of these habits hit you hardest? Comment below. And if you want more strategies to escape the paycheck-to-paycheck life, hit subscribe. This is Habit of Riches, where we turn actions into assets.